Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Chevy Malibu into neutral. This is a crucial skill for situations like towing or moving your vehicle when it has no power. We will cover the specific manual override procedure, which is the most reliable way to achieve this. This method ensures you can always shift your car, even if the battery is completely dead or you lack the key fob. To begin the manual override, first locate the small cap or cover situated near the base of your gear shifter. This piece is often rectangular or square and blends with the console. Using a small flathead screwdriver, gently pry off this cover, being careful not to scratch the surrounding plastic. Once removed, you will expose a small white pin or lever inside the slot. This is your manual shift lock release mechanism. With the release mechanism exposed, firmly depress the brake pedal. Remember, without power, you will need to apply significant force. While maintaining pressure on the brake, insert your screwdriver into the slot and press down on the white pin or lever. Keep this pressed, then move your gear selector from park to neutral. You should feel the shifter disengage smoothly. Once in neutral, you can release the override and replace the cap. Safety is paramount when performing this procedure. Always ensure your parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin, as the vehicle could roll once in neutral. Without a functional battery, you will have no power steering or power brakes, requiring considerable effort to steer and stop. Only utilize this manual override when absolutely necessary, such as for towing or moving your Malibu with a dead battery. Always prioritize your safety and the safety of others.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.